I saw this post on Twitter about Aquarius, and I have not been able to unsee it since I've seen it, and I wanted to share it with you guys. So it says, it's not that Aquarius thinks let me learn how to read. It's not that Aquarius thinks that you're dumb, except for the part where they do, in parentheses. They're just shocked at how limited your mindset is and how you only allow your mind to expand in comfortable directions and not just all directions simultaneously. Now, the reason why I thought this was interesting is because people often hate arguing with Aquarius. And the main complaint is that Aquarius doesn't listen when arguing with Aquarius, which a lot of times is true. Because when Aquarius knows they're right, it's really hard for them to make their brains available for non-factual information. Because their rightness their right standing or their right opinion that they're standing on comes from facts. Because when Aquarius is debating you, they're not just debating you based on what they like, based on what they believe, based on what they prefer. They're debating you based on facts. And they do so because they've spent time thinking about this argument from different angles, even the angles that make them uncomfortable, to see if there's any merit to the argument from that perspective. And this is what makes Aquarius unique. This is why they're the most intellectual of the zodiac signs. And this is why they're harder to understand, because what they think and what they understand and what they know to be true trumps everything. It even trumps how they feel. Therefore, it trumps how you feel. So if you're arguing with an Aquarius and you bring in your feelings, you're going to lose them as quickly as the feelings entered the conversation. Because they don't care how you feel and they don't care how they feel. They care about what's real based on a deep analysis of all of the facts, including the uncomfortable facts of the conversation. This is what makes Chris Rock a really funny comedian, because he can talk about things that are uncomfortable in a very lackadaisical, aloof mannerism. That's very Aquarius. It's like, these are the facts. Is it uncomfortable? Yes, but it doesn't change the fact that these are the facts. A lot of people want to argue without having thought about what they're arguing about from a different perspective. How can you win an argument, or how can you be sure of your position if you haven't looked at it from another point of view? Aquarius cannot understand how you can live that way, and that is what makes them frustrating for people who don't think critically. What do you think? Leave your comments.